In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Dropbox location on your Windows computer. This is a useful skill if you're looking to manage your storage more efficiently, perhaps moving your Dropbox files to a larger drive or an external hard drive. I'm going to guide you through each step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently change your Dropbox folder location without a hitch. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Dropbox application on your computer. Simply click the Dropbox icon located in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click on the arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you click on the Dropbox icon, it will open a small window displaying recent activity and quick actions. Next, look towards the top right corner of this window. Here you'll see either your profile picture or your initials. Click on this avatar. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu you need to select Preferences. This is where you'll find the settings that allow you to customize your Dropbox experience to better suit your needs. Once you're in the Preferences menu, navigate to the Sync tab. This tab is essential as it houses the settings related to how Dropbox syncs your files across different locations and devices. Within the Sync tab, you'll see an option called Dropbox Folder Location. This is the current path of your Dropbox folder on your computer. To change this, click Change Location. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer's storage. Here, you should decide on the new location where you want your Dropbox files to live. You might want to choose a location with more storage space, or perhaps a different drive entirely, depending on your personal storage needs. Simply navigate through your folders, select the new desired location, and then click Select Folder. After you've chosen your new folder location, you'll need to confirm the change. Click OK to finalize your decision. Dropbox will then begin the process of moving your files to the new location you've just selected. Be patient, as this might take a few moments, depending on the size of your Dropbox folder and the speed of your drive. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the Dropbox location on your Windows computer. This adjustment will ensure better storage management, reflecting instantly across all Dropbox applications you use. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you want to switch locations again. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials.